Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you a tips on how to delete an Instagram story before it finishes uploading. So if you made a mistake in uploading your story and you want to delete it before it finishes uploading, here's how you can do it. So I'm going to show you, let's say I want to upload a story to my Instagram. Okay, so let's say I want to upload this photo. So I'm going to just click on your story, but apparently I forgot maybe to add tags or to mention my friends or other mistakes. So click on your story. So what you need to do to delete before it finishes uploading, you need to click on enable your data on your phone so that the story will not be uploaded. So you can see it's still posting now. You can see now the story couldn't upload because there's no signal on my phone. So when it become like this, you can just click on delete and delete again. So just like that, the story is deleted before it finishes uploading. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment. Bye.